Has your garage door come off its hinges in the Thirroul area? This can happen if the door is forcibly opened or if its parts have worn out or broken, leading to potential safety hazards and inconvenience. Don't risk further damage or compromise your security by leaving it unchecked. Call 0409774111 now to get professional and reliable garage door repair services. Our team of experts will quickly restore your door to perfect condition, ensuring it operates safely and efficiently. Don't wait for a small problem to become a big one. Contact us today and secure your peace of mind.